Hey guys, what's up? It's Charlie here, and today we're going to be looking at 9 signs your pet is crying for help. We all love pets and animals, but unlike a human, when a pet is unwell, it can't just tell you. That's why you need to look out for these 9 signs that something could be seriously wrong with your pet. These work for many different kinds of pets like cats, dogs, and other small animals. And after hearing some of these symptoms, you may see them in your very own pets and then want to check your pets out at the vet. But before we get into it, why not subscribe and press the notification bell too? Coming in at number 9, we have gum color. This one is very interesting as it's not something you normally see with your pets. The gum is the area around your pet's teeth. If you check the gums of your cat or dog, they should be a light pink color. However, if you see a change in color of their gums, there could be a myriad of problems with your cat or dog. If you see a color change in the gums of your pets, this could indicate various things. It may mean your pet simply has a high fever and you should take it to the vet. More serious meanings could be an infection or a lack of oxygen. If they have any of these problems, their gums will likely be a deep red color. But what if your pet cat or dog has black gums? If you see this, this means your pet has a liver problem. You should take it to the vet right away as it could be very serious. The sooner you take your pet to the vet after seeing a change in gums, the more likely you have of saving your pet. Next up is aggression. Like humans, from time to time, pets get angry. This can sometimes happen to cats and dogs if you accidentally walk into them or push them about. But what if your once very lovable furry friend has suddenly turned angry? Well, if your pet is all of a sudden acting aggressively, this can be a sign of bad things. Your pet may be experiencing issues with its teeth. For example, if it's damaged its teeth, it could make it very irritable. If your pet is very old, it may have arthritis or other injuries due to its weak bones. Or of course your pet may have an infection that you can't see visibly. These are all things that cause pain to your pets and will change its mood. Now of course if you're mean to your pets, it's going to be aggressive anyway. But if you've been treating it with a lot of love and it's still aggressive, then maybe take your pet to the vet. Coming up next is coughing. Sometimes cats and dogs can start coughing. You may think this is kind of strange as it is pretty uncommon. However, the phenomena is actually known as kennel cough. This isn't usually dangerous for older animals. But if your pet is a young puppy or kitten, then this is something to worry about. Also, if your cat or dog is a breed with a pushed-in face, this could also be bad. Coughing with that face shape may show breathing difficulties. This can cause a lack of breath and also oxygen for your pets, which is never a good thing. However, if you have a fully grown, non-pushed out faced dog or cat, then this will go away within a few weeks. Kennel cough is a phenomenon that comes about like the common cold, and it lasts for 7 to 14 days. But be warned, if you have lots of pets in your house, then be sure to quarantine the pet with kennel cough. Kennel cough can spread to animals very easily, even if you have one cat and one dog. So if one of your pets has kennel cough, then keep it separate from other pets in your house and out on the street. Also, if kennel cough is going on for more than 14 days, then be sure to take your pet to the vet. Next up, we have a change in the eyes. What could be cuter than looking into your pet's eyes? Most animals have very brightly colored eyes, like orange eyes. But if you see your animal's eyes turning red, then this is a sign of ill health. Also, if your pet appears to be crying and has a clear substance coming from its eyes, this means it could have a virus. However, if the liquid is a more yellow or green color, this means your pet has an infection. Having a wet nose is actually very healthy among dogs and other animals. But if you see their eyes being wet, then you need to take it to the vets instantly. Next up, we have not eating. When we feel ill, we really do lose our appetites. Well, that's the same with your pets. If your dog or cat once loved chomping into food but now doesn't eat so much, this could be a warning sign. If you leave food out for your pets and they don't eat it for over 1 day, this could be a sign of great pain. They may also be facing some kind of stress, for example, dental problems. Or they may just have a fever, but whatever the reason is, you should take your pet to the vet. It's actually much more dangerous for cats to not eat for 24 hours than dogs. If cats don't eat for 48 hours, it could begin to develop a disease known as fatty liver. This is a very dangerous disease for cats which could cause them to pass away. Next up, we have a change in coat. Does your pet have a beautifully soft coat of hair? Well, if one day you see a change in that, then this could be a sign your pet is crying out for help. If your cat's coat no longer has that shine it usually has, it could be a sign your cat is ill. That's because when cats are ill, they don't lick their coats like they normally do. Also, if your cat or dog is rapidly molting, which means losing fur, this could be a sign it has a skin disease. These are usually very easily cured by some medicine from your vet. Your pet may just need some more vitamins or a change in diet. Next up we have licking. So we already know that when a cat is ill, it won't lick its coat as much. This causes its coat to lose its shine and get very shabby. But what if you see your cat and dog excessively licking the same spot? This usually indicates your dog or cat has pain in that area. They may have fleas or another allergy, or it could be something more serious which is causing pain for your pet. But if your cat keeps licking the same spot, this could be a sign of mental health issues for your cat. Cats can actually get anxiety and OCD, and excessive licking is a sign of this. Next up we have a swollen belly. If you notice your pet's belly getting bigger and bigger, you may just be feeding it too much. But it could also be a sign of health issues for your pet. Your pet could have a digestive imbalance which causes it to digest food much more slowly. This digestive issue could actually take a pet's life. It puts lots of pressure on your pet's chest cavity, making it difficult to breathe. A dog may even have digestive volvulus, which could take its life. That's why if you see your pet has a swollen belly, take it to the vet to get it checked out. You may just be feeding it too much, but it's best to be safe than sorry. Next up is weight loss. Many humans want to lose weight and go on diets to do so. But what about if you see your pet losing weight? Now, if your pet's eating normally and it loses a bit of weight, then this is not a cause for concern. But what if your pet's body weight has gone down by over 10%? Well, this could mean your pet has a metabolic disorder, meaning it will digest food too quickly. It could also be a sign of liver or kidney problems for your pet. This is particularly dangerous in older pets. Some think that older pets simply lose weight naturally, but that is not the case. If you see your young or old pet losing lots of weight for no reason, then take it to the vet. So now you know these symptoms, is your pet crying out for help? If so, then be sure to take it to the vet and try and get it cured. But if not, be sure to remember these signs, as you never know what could happen to your pet one day. Check out the poll in the top right corner to vote for the most interesting sign your pet is crying out for help. I think it's the changing color of its gums, as that's not something many people would notice. If you guys want some more amazing videos, check out my second channel. There'll be a link to that coming up on screen in a moment, so be sure to subscribe. But as always, thanks for watching. Check out some more videos on screen right now, leave a like if you enjoyed, and if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Top 10s.